The person who invented the slot machine must have been a devil. You think you're betting on luck, but behind the scenes, it's all calculated. Today, we'll uncover how casinos and their star attraction, the slot machine, really work. Slot machines may look different on the outside, but their inner workings are quite similar. Traditional machines have 3 or 5 spinning reels with various symbols on each. Every time a player places a bet and presses the button or pulls the lever, the reels start spinning. Once they stop, the combination of symbols determines whether you win. But this seemingly random, luck-based mechanism is far from simple. At the core of the slot machine is something called a random number generator, RNG. Every time you start a spin, it instantly generates a set of numbers, which corresponds to the position where the symbols will stop. So, the moment you press the button, your fate is already sealed. The spinning reels, flashing lights, and jingling sounds are just theatrics. It's all part of the software putting on a show, and each symbol has hidden weighting behind it. For example, out of 100 possible numbers, a cherry symbol might be linked to 99 of them, while the jackpot diamond symbol is tied to only 1. Even though you see only a dozen or so symbols on the screen, the software operates with hundreds of virtual slots behind the scenes. Every time it spins, it draws from this hidden pool. It may seem random, but the odds are hard-coded into the machine's chip. Take the double diamond slot machine as an example. According to statistics, the odds of hitting the jackpot are around 0.0002%, which means roughly once every 373,480 spins. By adjusting the programming and symbol weighting, the payout rate and profits remain entirely under the casino's control. So why is it so hard to leave a casino without losing your shirt? Because it's not just a game of numbers, it's a game of psychology. One of the most common tricks is the near miss. For example, the first 2 symbols match, but the third one just slides past the winning spot. That "I almost won" feeling makes players want to try again. This is called the near-win effect, a psychological design technique derived from behavioral studies. And when someone finally does win, the flashing lights and loud celebratory sounds create a sense of false possibility for everyone else. Even though that person's win has nothing to do with others, it still encourages more people to keep playing. The casino's layout itself is also a calculated trap. Usually designed like a maze, the goal is to create confusion, so players can't easily find the exit and end up staying longer. Slot machines are placed at the heart of the casino to grab attention. There are usually no windows or natural light, and the ceilings are low, all designed to distort your sense of time. You lose track of how long you've been playing, free from outside distractions, completely immersed in this staged slaughter. That's why you can never beat a machine that writes the rules, controls the odds, and manipulates your mind. The truly smart ones are those who never touch it at all. And one final warning: those claw machines in shopping malls? The ones where you try to grab a toy? Their mechanism is strikingly similar to slot machines. They may appear to rely on skill and luck, but behind the scenes, the odds are also pre-programmed. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, and subscribe for more awesome tech stories from the future.